Yo, what's up, guys? It's Jeremy Mateo here. I'm not in Dubai.
What's up, guys? Jeremy here, and I'm with my business partner, Wendell, and we're standing in front of a house that we just bought. And this is actually my first time seeing it in person. So Wendell is gonna give us a tour because he's seen it in person. I've never. So yeah, right behind us is the pool. Pretty nice pool. Wendell, tell us about the pool.
It's a pretty nice pool. Nah, but in all honesty, or not, the lot size is huge. I don't know the exact number off the top of my head, but you have extra yard space on the other side of this pool, and then there's like yard space in the back as well.
I think the lot is about 7,500 square feet, but the house is huge. How big is the house? It's like 3,500 square feet.
I was like, oh,
bro, you've been here.
Yeah. It's 3 floors. It's essentially 3 floors, plenty of rooms, and definitely has a lot of potential for whoever decides to purchase.
All right, let's check out the inside. Let's go up here. So guys, the reason why I'm involving Wendell more is because he's the next man up. He's Drake May. He is that guy. So expect to see him a lot in my content. Actually, hold this. And you're probably thinking like, okay, who is filming? I actually hired a new assistant.
Hi everyone, my name is Joy. Happy to be here.
Yeah, so to enter the property, you don't have to drive too far up like the hill. But you have this long driveway. Definitely can fit about
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
9 cars.
Yeah, 9 cars.
But I also don't trust Jeremy's like estimates on cars because he drives a small car. I drive a truck.
Bro, I got a Hummer.
Oh.
Oh, I gotta make a video about the Hummer.
The Hummer. Anyways, yeah, let's go enter the property. There's different ways to enter, but we'll go through this main door. But yeah, you're greeted by like a living room area. You have these nice huge windows that overlooks Pearl Harbor and like the rest of Leeward, Oahu.
So it looks like this is the living room.
Yeah.
Holy shit. Okay.
Laundry. We have the laundry area and then the kitchen.
Electric's not on?
No.
Oh.
You suck at life.
Every time we buy a property, I always forget to put the electric in my name. So we always have the property with the electric off. But anyway, this looks like the laundry room.
And
where are we now?
we are in the kitchen. Definitely needs some love here and there, but so does every other property on the island. But yeah, huge kitchen area. You have this nice island, stove, and then you have like sort of a small little dining area if you don't want to use the living space that we just walked out of. Nice little deck area. Wow. Yeah.
Cool. Okay. So this is us, right? Not this.
No, not this. This is not
this.
included.
Okay. That's the neighbor.
Yeah.
But you have all of this?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, and I believe you could walk all the way to the pool from this area.
Oh, sick.
And then the carport is like right around the corner here. With
Whoa.
some shit.
Damn.
Jeremy almost died.
Almost died right here. Yeah, so basically every time we buy a property, we tell the sellers that you can just leave it as is. You don't have to clean anything. I'm actually like really stoked because the seller actually removed most of the junk that was here. Just like a few minor things, but not too bad.
Saved us a lot of money.
Yeah. Ooh, come over here. Sometimes I like to keep some stuff that the seller leaves, like this cooler. Oh shit, this is probably his. He's probably gonna take it. The seller just moved out today, by the way, so. What else?
I haven't been to this portion of the house, but I'm assuming more rooms. Seller had a collection of fine china here.
Just like fine china.
Fine china?
Yeah.
Oh, that's a family picture. We're not gonna show that.
Nice.
Respect the privacy.
So you have 3 rooms here, or no, 2 rooms and then a full bath.
Okay, so that's the master. This is a bedroom. And then what is that?
This is the bathroom.
Okay. Cool shower. Nice. It has a hand railing. if your showers get wild, you know. Love the mirrors. In the toilet, okay. Hey guys, really quick, if you're getting some value out of this video, please do me a favor and like and subscribe if you haven't already. I'm really trying to grow my channel, and if you like and subscribe, or even better yet, share this video with someone else or a friend, it really helps my channel grow, and I'm really trying to grow this channel. So thank you guys. All right, back to the video.
And now we will head to the first, technically the first floor of the house.
Oh, wow, okay. Wow, okay.
I don't know what to just call this.
I would
like a
call
living
this-
area?
yeah,
Because
this
there's a bathroom, or there's another room here, full bath,
So you have this.
closet,
A bedroom.
almost a studio.
Yeah. This is like, I don't know.
I like it though.
Yeah.
It's unique.
Oh, look at this bathroom. Oh, I felt spider webs on my feet. Ugh. Jeez. Okay. Okay.
And then these are the doors that open to the pool.
Oh, dude, there's more over here.
Yeah.
Oh, shit. There's like a lot of rooms connected to rooms here.
Yeah, it's like a room within a room
Yeah.
in a room.
Roomception. Okay, and then, so we're on the bottom level, and then we just came from the second level, but there's a third level, right?
Yes,
Okay.
which I have never been to.
All right, let's go check that out. To get to the third floor, we have to go on the outside, right?
I've never been there. I've never been there.
Cool, okay. And to get to the third floor, you have to go to this
Oh, I'm
door.
retarded.
So it's a separate entrance. So I guess that's good.
Hello.
Okay, no one's here. Whoa. Dude, this is sick. This is like its own
Wow.
studio. Wow. So it's like a studio.
Wet bar.
Oh, wow.
Full bathroom. This one's nice.
Damn. Look at this. Shower, toilet. What the fuck? This is a maze. This is back to the living room.
I was like, oh, where the f
Back
did we
to
go?
the living room. But there's another room here.
Yeah, I like this room. Look at this view.
Wow. Okay. Sick.
The roofing looks good.
Yeah. Okay. Sick. Okay. I don't know how many bedrooms this is. I lost count. 5? Okay.
I think.
Yeah. Wendell, there's more room over here, dude. Oh, there you go, Joy. All for you.
Damn, girl, you need to slow down with that.
Wow. Okay. Yo, someone took this from the airport.
My dad takes that.
What?
No, it's a post office thing though.
Oh.
They all just take it.
Well, there you have it, guys. That is the house that we just bought. Stay tuned. This should be hitting the market really soon. But thanks again for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. My name is Jeremy Mateo.
I'm Wendell.
And see you in the next video. Oh, yeah.
My bad. I was like, oh.
Smells like dog.
Yeah. I work for this guy? What the f